explore some of the particulars of our step back and step forward sequence that we use in the Y4C methodology. And I have Donna here as my model, and I'm going to ask Donna to step forward with her feet right nicely between, so her toes line up with the blocks. I'll move this box so everyone can see her toes are sort of sticking out there. Okay, now we've already gone through. She is pretty tight in there. She might want a little bit more space between her feet. Tiny bit more space so that she doesn't, knock the blocks over when she comes forward.
Okay.
All right. Now, we've already gone through and demonstrated the valuable movement of our hands on our thighs and finding where our blocks are, keeping our chest in that upright position of chair pose. So, Donna, place your hands here and looking at me and bring your heart to me as if you are there. That's very nice, very nice. She did. She brought her heart right forward. All right. Now, can you bend your knees in any more?
A little more.
A little more, a little more, but then it starts to get a little bit iffy.
I'm good right here.
Okay.
Maybe a little more.
That's good. All right. Now, release your magic buttons and let your hands come down, and you're not feeling those blocks anywhere at all.
No, I'm not.
No. Okay, so what we're going to do is bring those blocks up to you. So I'm going to, and you know, sometimes you might need more than that, and that's okay. All right. Well, the important thing is now that you come into your chair pose by pushing into those magic buttons. There's chair.
Yes.
Right. Tailbone is going down, and my heart is going to you. And now I reach for the blocks. That's a little better.
Yes, it's a lot better.
A lot better. Maybe even more.
I might be able to use more, Tari.
Okay, then let's get some more. Wow, yeah, nice. This is going to feel really good and secure, and you're going to keep that heart coming towards me this way, so that the heart is always in front of that nose. All right, good. Press into your magic buttons. Bend the knees.
Oh, there they are.
Good, okay.
Okay.
Now, inhale and come all the way up to stand. And we'll start with our swan dive first of all. So the palms go out, we inhale and come up. And then as if those hands were still on the magic buttons, bend, 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 and you don't have to go very far now to reach for them, do you?
They're right here.
Good. Now, take an in-breath and take your right leg all the way back behind you, as far back as it can go. Okay, and I noticed that your foot landed on the blanket.
It did.
Okay, so I'm going to have you bring that leg up front, and I'm going to move the blanket so it won't. Good, so that's something to really be careful of. All right, come all the way up to stand, and let's do it again.
Okay.
I think we're going to get all the way through this time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, deep bend in the knees, hands to blocks. In-breath takes that right leg back behind you. Excellent. All right, and now on exhale, gently lower that right knee to the floor. Beautiful. And turn the palms out, bring the hips back. Inhale, and we salute the sun. Exhale, hands down onto the blocks. Now,
Sorry.
that's okay. Inhale, and just lift the right knee as you inhale. Looking forward with that heart towards me. Good. Now, on an exhale, still heart comes to me, and the right foot comes forward between the blocks. Hips go down, and heart comes up as you inhale, and then exhale back to Tadasana. Beautiful. All right, let's just do the other side just once, and we'll go a little more quickly.
Sure.
Okay, thumbs out, inhale, thumbs up. Deep bend in the knees. Exhale, hands to blocks. In-breath takes the left leg back behind you, and gently with the exhale, brings the knee down onto the inhale, brings the hips back, arms up, and the exhale, hands onto your blocks. The in-breath lifts that left knee, and the exhale brings you forward. Hips down, heart lifts, inhale, come all the way up, and exhale, one breath in Tadasana. Very nice, thank you. Can I just point out one other little thing?
Sure.
If you wouldn't bring your hands to the blocks and take your right leg back again. So what's really important here is that we find a way to take that, lift that right knee up off the floor. So bring it down onto the floor. Now, Inhale, it lifts it up. That's the inhale. Heart's coming forward. Okay. And then it's the exhale that brings that right foot forward. So beautiful, beautiful. And then you're ready to fly all the way up to stand. Okay. Thank you, Donna,
You're
very
very
much.
welcome. Thank you, Tari. I felt very safe.